Good news, everyone. I'm not dead. Let's get back to work. NA was that the bars for the y-axis were going to be perfectly straight, but that didn't happen. So plan B was epoxy resin. Just pour this in. It's going to self-level. It's low viscosity. This was going to be awesome. Perfectly flat and level rails. You know what's a bad plan? Plan B. This was a terrible plan. I don't know what I was thinking. So I came up with plan C. Plan C was I was going to grind those perfectly flat. So I made this super awesome grinding jig that was not super awesome. It had issues. It wasn't perfect. So we go on to plan D. D was these big flat bars. They're pre-ground. Just need to space them perfectly apart and use a whole lot of JB Weld. I checked this granite plate, and it was within 1 or 2 thousandths across the entire surface. I did just get it from a regular countertop place, but all in all, it's actually still pretty flat. I know what it looks like. That is definitely not Bondo to cover up mistakes. I can assure you. Sneak peek at the next video, but I have to find a way to attach this thing to the saddle, where this is the saddle, or attached to the y-axis. You know what I mean. So dumb mistake number, I don't know, like 706 here is I didn't really plan this out well. There's a slot, there's a bolt in that slot, and there's the limit switches. Brilliant. Just brilliant. Well, that pretty much does it for the Y-axis, other than finding a place to attach these bellows to in the front, and replacing these limit switches since they're in the way of that slot. I'll figure something else out. But other than that, I think the Y-axis is about ready to go. So, looks pretty good. Thanks for watching.